Hello, and welcome back to school. My name is Mr. Varney. I'm a physical education teacher at the Health Sciences Academy at Monroe Middle School. I work along with Mr. Cunningham, Mr. Shea, and Mr. Ray. You can usually find me in the gym, but if you need to reach me, you can email me, call me, text me. This school year is going to be very different for all of us. What won't be different is our classes will still be based on the North Carolina Healthful Living Standards. These standards help you understand things about physical fitness, movement patterns, and how to make choices to live a healthy, active lifestyle. On the days that you're at school, we will still provide some pretty typical PE activities. We will still run. We will still play games. But we're going to have to plan to run and play games a little differently so that we will not be helping to spread the coronavirus. On the days you're not at school, your assignments will be on Canvas. Your grades will be based on your effort, your attitude, and your participation levels. You still need to wear the right shoes and clothes so you can participate in gym class. I'm looking forward to meeting you all soon.